Number 1 is the smallest supramalleolar circumference. Number 2 is the diagonal at the apex of the calcaneus. Number 3 is the midfoot circumference at the apex of the arch. Now switch to the calipers. Number 4 is the width at the apex of the malleoli. Number 5 is the width of the met heads. Splay the met heads gently. Number 6 is the posterior calcaneus of the apex to the first met head. Number 7 is the posterior calcaneus to the apex of the fifth met head. Number 8 is the height to the apex of the medial malleolus. Number 9 is the height to the apex of the lateral malleolus. Number 10 is the circumference at the fibular head. And number 11 is the circumference at the widest part of the calf.